Do you know that we are the teachers, we are present in the school, and father is also added to the group for your information? And what have you done? You've removed me from the call. What do you want? The same way, with the same confidence with what you've removed me, quickly answer what I'm asking. Why do you touch your mobiles and your laptops? When I say that during the time of studying, just sit, fold your hands, and listen to what the teacher says until unless a question is asked to you. What is this? Come on, Manman, waiting for your answer. Those to be repeated. Okay. All of you please listen. So mute your speakers. Yes. So what we're discussing is about the types of the different, we were discussing about the types, and now since we've discussed now asexual reproduction, as I told you, we'll be discussing with the help of examples so that it is clear that yes, actually one parent is involved and the process of reproduction takes place asexually. So we will be taking certain examples, different examples, and with the help of those examples, we will be understanding the process of asexual reproduction in detail, more clearly. So what you have to do is you have to just listen to me first carefully, and then you have to observe the diagram that I'll draw on the board, and then the same you'll match with the diagram that is given in your book so as to understand it more clearly. So we will be talking about the first example, children, and that is the first way you can say. As you can see on the board, it's written fission. Types of asexual reproduction. The first one that we have is the fission. Now, before moving further, I would like to explain you that fission means breaking. So quickly take a pencil and will make a bracket in front of the word fission, the heading fission in your book, and write down breaking. Quickly write down. So fission means breaking. Breaking. Yes, and here we will take the example of amoeba. Amoeba, as now again, amoeba, as I told you, that this type of reproduction takes place in very lower animals, lower plants. Yes, lower organism. So amoeba is an example of a very simple. It's made up of one single cell. Just see, our body is made up of so many cells, uncountable cells. Yes, and amoeba, its body is made up of single cells. So the body design is very simple. Does it have a mouth, hands, legs? Is it like that? No, it doesn't have. It is a very simple organism with just made up of one single cell. Okay? Now, so we will be talking about the fission in which organism? In
Amoeba.
And remember, nobody is going to call it amoeba. It's not amoeba, though the spelling says OE, but you will not say amoeba. It is amoeba. All of you say amoeba.
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 So, first, before going to that, we will just come to one thing. When we talk about the cell, I told you that cell contains nucleus, yes, and the cytoplasm. These are the two important things which you need to know. Rest you will learn in your class 8. So, a cell contains nucleus and amoeba. Fine. Sorry, a cell contains a nucleus and the cytoplasm. So, when we talk about amoeba, its body is not having any particular shape. This is the nucleus of amoeba and this is the cytoplasm. Fine. So, when the division takes place, these two things have to divide. The nucleus and the cytoplasm. The nucleus and the cytoplasm has to divide. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
So what happens that this is the amoeba body. Now in the second case, these are the stages that we are drawing. That after this happens, after this happens. Yes. So here you see that the nucleus divides, and one is going to divide into how many?
Ma'am, two.
Two.
Ma'am,
We
two.
Yes, we see that the cytoplasm remains as such, and the nucleus, this nucleus, it divides into two. in the third stage, we see that you can see that the nucleus has divided into two, and now the cytoplasm also starts dividing into two. This liquid that is present, it also starts dividing into two. And finally, we see that the breaking takes place. This breaks, and it finally results into the formation of how many cells?
2 cells.
How many?
Cells.
Two cells. So initially we had one cell. We had one cell. This is number one. This is two. This is three. And this is the fourth stage finally. So we had one cell, one amoeba cell. And this first, the nucleus divide. That means it divided into two. In the third stage, cytoplasm, this liquid also divided into two. Finally, the breaking takes place and it results into the formation of how many? It results into formation of two cells. So, how many? Here, did you find male and female amoeba?
No.
No, you didn't find male and female. So, this type of reproduction is which type of reproduction?
Asexual reproduction.
Asexual
reproduction.
Yes. So you are going to revise this. Fine. We have covered two topics, that is sexual reproduction, we have talked about it, and we have also talked about one of the example of asexual reproduction, and that is amoeba. You're going to revise this. If you find any problem, you're going to post your problem on WhatsApp group. Fine, children. So this is how we have come to the end of today's class. Till we meet again, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.